What's up YouTube? Cliff here from the Sunday Drive. Today we're going to be installing the lower Grillcraft Grille, say that 10 times fast, on my brother's 2016 WRX. You can see that we've already installed the upper grille. If you want to know how to do that, watch the video at the link above. But we're going to be installing this lower one right down here.
Hey guys, we're like working on another Jeep right over there. It also has all-wheel drive or something like that. So watch that video first. Screw this.
So here's the new grille. The upper grille that we installed a little while ago is holding up extremely well. That's been on the car for about a year. Let's show you what came with this lower grille. All right, so obviously the grille itself. Very nice finish on this. Feels very thick and sturdy. Should hold up really well. Get a sticker in here and step-by-step instructions with pictures about how to install it, but you got this video, so you're not gonna need that. And mounting hardware. All right, we got the bumper removed. If you guys need to know how to do this, watch our video at the link above, which goes step-by-step in the removal process. Next, we're gonna go ahead and remove this bottom grille. I'm gonna let my brother do that real quick. It has a whole bunch of tabs all along the edges that you're gonna need to release in order to remove this, and it comes off really easily. All right, so we went ahead and set the new grille in place. Now we're gonna mark the locations where we need to drill the holes for the mounting hardware. Take a pick tool, go ahead and mark the locations where we're gonna drill for the mounting hardware. There's one here and here in the middle, and then one on either edge. Make sure that the grille is pushed all the way in to right where you want it before marking. We're gonna go ahead and take a 1/8 drill bit and drill out these holes. Now, Grillcraft recommended a 3/16 bit. However, this seemed a little bit large to us. The plastic here is really soft, so I want the diameter of this hole to be a little bit smaller than the screw so that they can kind of screw into the plastic as well as the clip that they provide.
It's like Grillcraft.
Did I say Grillcraft again?
So just overlay Grillcraft.
So these are the screws. You're gonna mount the screw and install this on the opposite side, and this will screw into it and squeeze down on the bumper. You're gonna do that in all 4 locations. You can also use a 7mm socket to install this. That's it, guys. That is the installation complete. Very quick, very easy. It looks really good, complements the upper grille really well. And another nice side benefit is that you can now fit a 32-inch light bar behind here without any clearance issues whatsoever. And it also doesn't have the ends blocked off like the stock grille does, so you get all that light from the light bar going out from the vehicle. Now, the upper grille is also from Grillcraft. Same design and pattern. This grille has been installed for about a year and has held up really well. No chips on it, not rusting anywhere, it doesn't rattle at all. So very happy with this purchase, and now we have the matching lower grille as well. If you guys enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing, and we have a lot more content coming on my brother's WRX. If you're interested in how to install that light bar, we have a video showing how to do that at the link above, and we'll see you guys here next time.